The top 3 fastest birds in the world are typically measured by their speed during a hunting dive, stoop, or in level flight. Peregrine Falcon, Falco peregrinus. This bird is widely recognized as the fastest animal on the planet. During its hunting dive, stoop, it can reach astonishing speeds of up to 389 km per hour, 242 mph. In level flight, its speed is still impressive, around 65 to 90 km per hour, 40 to 56 mph. Golden eagle. Aquila chrysaetos. Another powerful raptor, the golden eagle can achieve speeds of 240 to 320 km per hour, 150–200 mph, in a hunting dive. White-throated needletail, Hirundapus caudacutus. This swift is often cited as the fastest bird in level flight, with reported speeds of up to 169 km per hour, 105 mph.